Investors and families, extremely affordable 3-bedroom home will study in Flagstaff. A Dry Builders report supports this home with 600 millions, serviced by a gas fire and HRV system. The open plan kitchen, dining and lounge area are always comfortable. Relation to the in-ground pool, thin zone for grade school, call today about 28 million present. Scotty Mackler is RE
If you've experienced new